Welcome back. And now I want to show you some demo for week 18th. And see here, I'm going to start with your exception demo. And in this exception demo, first how you should write your program. Suppose this is my first program. Here I want to show you all the demo in one shot. See here, it is going to open. Try to open it. And I'm going to start with suppose first example. In this example, I have taken one integer d equal to 0, and here I'm going to divide some number with d. So here exception will come, but here I'm not going to handle that exception. If anyone asks you to handle exception, here I already told you your program, what you have written, this program you should bound inside try catch block. See, same program you will write here inside the try catch block, and there you should write, and outside of try you should use catch. If any issue will come inside the try, catch automatically will execute and you will get your exception. In the same way here, see another example. Here also, I want to create exception here, and same exception finally I want to print in this example. If we'll go with the next example, there you will see how to create multiple catch for one try. Here I have a single try, and in this try I have two type of exception. One is related with arithmetic exception, second is related with your array type exception. So here I have written multiple catch block. So here you will get okay how to write multiple catch block with one try. In the same way here in the next part you will see how to create nested try. Means how to write try inside another try. Here is one try, and inside the catch I have written here another try. So here you will see how to write try inside another try, or you can say catch inside another catch. Here catch inside another catch. This example here is how to write try inside another try. My examples only you have to take, and my example you have to execute. After execution you will get the result. Here I want to show you how to use throw demo. Here I'm going to show. I told you already, means throw you will use depends on the condition. Suppose here I have this method. If anyone will call this method, immediately this method will throw this exception. And here I'm going to take the exception, and finally that exception I want to print. So see, I'm calling here this method. So this method, since this method is throwing the exception, so here it will come to the catch block. Catch block is again throwing. Then it will come to this catch, and finally it will print this message. In the same way, if anyone asks you to create your own exception, so see in this program what I'm going to do, I'm creating my own exception class. It is child of exception class, and here I have written a constructor, and as I told you, means you should override toString method, and there you should print your message. Now this class I want to use as a, see here, I want to use as a exception class. Here depends on this condition also I'm throwing this exception class, object of this exception class. And finally after that, based on that, here I'm going to use, so inside the catch block if you will see, I'm passing here the exception, means user defined exception class object, and here I'm going to print. And my example, my all example, if you execute, you will get a result one by one. Suppose this throw example I'm going to execute here and want to show you the result. See here. Here if I will run this example, then you will get the result. See, this is my yes. Here now I want to go with exception, and here I think I will go with inside the exception I will check what is my folder name. Yeah, yes, I'm inside the folder, and yes, finally I'm ready to. Here see, if I will compile, suppose I'm going to compile my user defined exception. So here user defined exception.java. After that compilation success, now if I'll execute, then yes, this is my final result. Means yes, your user defined exception is working. So this folder as it is, I'm going to share with you my example on the every concept what I covered in last videos of exception handling. For every topic I have given example. Here it is not possible to show. I'm showing all the example. Execution part you will do. To execute my example, you directly can use Java C and after that Java, and in that way you will be able to execute. See, till now I'm showing all the example through Notepad. I'm not using any IDE. IDE we will use little later. First, you should get a maturity on Notepad, because on Notepad you will understand where you have to write lowercase, where you have to write uppercase. That all idea you will get. So hope you are able to understand example on exception. Thank you. Thank you very